Alright guys, I got the ZS190 installed in my CT70 clone, the Icebear Champion. Went in pretty easy. Uh, this carburetor's a monster. I don't remember the one on my Grom clone being that big, but yeah. Put the motor in today. It was kind of a pain in the ass. Had to do some trimming a little bit, not too bad. A little bit of grinding, but got it in. Yeah, I think she's going to be ready to do 80 miles an hour. Looks good. Went with the black motor. If I would have known the new ZS's were painted, they paint them silver now, I guess. I don't know if all of them are, but I would have probably ordered a silver one, but I assumed it was raw like my other motor, so I did not order one. But yeah, I installed the motor. I installed a LED light in the headlight. Can't see it, but I also did the same with the tail light because I know the ZS190 has trouble keeping up with charging. I also installed shocks, like I said in one of my other videos. I installed a new chain. It's supposed to be heavy duty. We'll see. Hopefully it holds up because it's only a 420. So, and using the stock shifter that came with it. Didn't change the CDI or anything. Just used the one that was in the Icebear. Didn't change any wiring in there actually. Just I had cut the wiring from the motor and wire it into the old plug from the old motor. So it was pretty easy, not bad. Yeah. Yes, that is soap holding up my bike level. Keeping my bike fresh, I guess. But Irish Spring. But yeah, guys, got it in. I'll make a video soon of me riding it. I just gotta wait until I get an air filter for it because unlike my other ZS190, this one did not come with an air filter, so I'm gonna have to go find one on my own. And I also got some parts for my Honda Grom clone. I ordered a Hellcat headlight, the Teo Hellcat headlight. Get it out. Looks just like the Grom one, sort of, I guess, except it has a blue ring. And the stock Grom one don't have that, but I guess this is like the Thailand model one. I also ordered a wire harness and new controls. So, yeah, that's pretty much the way it came in the box. They really didn't pack it very well. They put the headlight in the plastic bag I took it out of, and they put like a piece of bubble wrap in there, which was doing absolutely nothing. And they just threw the wiring in there, no boxes or anything, just let it float around. Surprisingly, the headlight didn't get damaged in shipping, but alright, well, that's a plus. So, anyways, guys, I just want to let you know I got the ZS190 installed. So yeah, new video coming soon, hopefully, if the weather gets nice. It's been raining every day here almost, or it's been cold. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.